Hey guys, hello everyone, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वणक्कम एंड खम्मा गनी टू ऑल ऑफ यू. वेलकम बच्चों, वेलकम टू टुडेज क्लास. एंड आज एक बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त बात के लिए आया हूँ मैं कि भाई कोई एक्सक्यूजेस नहीं करने, एग्जाम मोटिवेशन की बात करने आए हैं ताकि बच्चों को एग्जाम के लिए जो डर है ना वो डर ना रहे. ठीक है, सो देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी फियर इन योर हार्ट related to examination. For that purpose I have come today for your classes. Again would like to tell you all about the vote examination which is going on. And this is not just an examination, this is your comeback, because with this examination you'll get to know what are your weaknesses in the different topics. And with those weaknesses you can, once you know what are your weaknesses, you can easily work on that. All right, other than that there are daily prizes and the big prizes, like you can win a trip to the NASA, all expenses paid, as well as you can be the Vedantu CEOs for a day. So this vote is conducted on these 4 days, out of which 28 March and 4 April is done. Now 11th April and 18th April, these 2 days are there, so please don't forget on this part. All right, so these are the different prizes which you are getting. You can just see the prizes over here, the different prizes which you are getting if you are solving the daily prizes, like phone, smart watches, laptop, drones, telescope, okay, microscope, Google Mini, Alexa, everything. All right, so amazing things. So you can register by going to this link here, shown here, vdnt.in/vdnt910e. just go there, register for the voter card, make your voter card, and you can give exam on all the days. So if you have not given it till now, please don't miss out on the opportunity. Solve the daily challenges as well and get your rewards. All right, this is the Telegram group. If you want, if you have not, if you want for all the information related to the board examination. Now for grade 10th, this is going to be the pattern MAT and SET. MAT is mental ability, 35 marks. SET is scholastic aptitude, your syllabus, 35 questions. Sorry, 35 questions, 35 questions. So each question has 4 marks if you attend it correct, -1 if you attend it wrong. If you don't attempt, 0 in that case. 90 minutes is your time duration. All right, so this amazing thing, vote, please don't miss out on this and register for it very soon. All right, now remember this thing, this is a very good quote beta which you have over here, is that don't say that you couldn't do it because you didn't have time. The ones who made it had 24 hours like you only. That means every single person you know, even the successful one or the one who is not successful, all of them has 24 hours a day. No one has extra time, no one has less time, all of them has this much time. Now you need to decide that how you are going to tackle these 24 hours. All right, what you're going to do in the time period of this 24 hours, and that only can lead you to your achievement. So never say that I don't have enough time. You have enough time, all have same time. How you do it, that depends upon you. So it's time to take my life to the next level. No more excuses, no hesitation, no excuses, no hesitation, and I will reach my goal. I want all of you to repeat after me right now when you're saying this video. No more excuses, no hesitation, I will reach my goal. I believe. All right, okay, so first thing is, for all this, for taking no more excuses, first thing is you need to take responsibility. Never be like ki, "Arey yaar, mommy will see me studying, let me go in front of my mom and dad and let them see me study for 1 hour, and then I'll ask for permission ki, can I go and play?" Don't do all this. Take responsibility for your study. If you know that your syllabus is still left, there should not be a need for anyone to tell you that go beta study. You already, you yourself know that you need this much study, your exams are coming, so take responsibility for your studies. No one else, why should anyone else bother with your studies, that whether you should study now or not? You are sensible enough, you are intelligent enough, so take responsibility of your studies. Study that much which is needed. If the exams are coming, syllabus is pending, don't be like, here I want to go and watch that movie. Focus, studies more important right now. That movie is not going anywhere, you can watch it later as well. All right, but time will not be there. Time will not be there. So the grades you get today are a direct result of study you did yesterday, as I'm telling you. So please take responsibility for your studies. Then be accountable. Don't blame anyone else for your result ki, "Arey yaar, my maths teacher was not good enough, that is why I couldn't pass, otherwise though I would have excelled like anything." Okay, so there are other maths teachers also, and there are other students who have learned from them. all right, or अरे यार I had so much of stress that day यार, this thing happened, that happened, that is why I couldn't study. Don't give excuses. You are accountable for your own studies, no one else. All right, so this is the best thing I can tell you right now. Take responsibility of your studies and make yourself accountable. When we are accountable for something na, we do that work with more dedication. We do that work with more dedication because we know at the end we don't have anyone else to blame. It would be us. And even if you have someone to blame, that blame is not going to help you in any purpose. So just take the responsibility and hold yourself accountable for your studies. If you'll do good, it is because of you. If you're doing bad, it is also because of you. In that case only you'll get the motivation from inner side that no, I don't want to blame myself for my studies and I'll study now. Alright, so failure suffers setbacks and stop growing. Winners suffer setbacks, failure suffer setbacks and stop growing. ठीक है, failure suffer setbacks and stop growing. Winners suffer setbacks and keep going. So those who are failures, they also suffer setbacks. Those who are winners, they also suffer setbacks. But the difference is the failures, they will stop with the setbacks, but the winners, they'll keep going. They'll keep going. It's not about how hard you punch, it's all about how hard of a punch can you take. You remember that line from a very inspirational line? Let me know in the comment box that from where you have heard this line. Alright, then remember the lessons. It doesn't matter whose fault it was or that you failed your last exam. It can be damn sure it's your responsibility to make sure it doesn't happen again. Simple thing, yeah. It's not telling you the bigger thing. Learn from your mistakes. Any sensible person will definitely learn from their mistakes. Suppose, for example, this is in our genes, yeah. If a child, suppose child don't know what is what, right? So if a child will suppose touch a hot surface, the child will cry. Now later, then the child will never touch that vessel again because the child knows that that vessel harmed me. That is not good for me. Same way for us, we know that we should not keep our fire in our hand in the fire. All right, so that is why we don't do it, because it is bad for us. All right, someone has taught us, and suppose we know that okay, whenever we are running we should tie our shoelaces tightly, because if the shoelace if the shoelace is not correctly tied, then we might fail. So this is what learning from our mistakes. So same we learn from your mistake in the exam as well. Last exam you did not study properly, you got less marks. So focus where you didn't study properly. What is your weakness? Focus on your weakness and work on your weakness. That is the most important part. Don't make yourself comfortable in a way that suppose if you like a chapter a lot, you'll keep practicing that chapter to make yourself I know everything. Make yourself comfortable and you'll forget about the chapter which are difficult for you. Now is the time. Respond to the situation. Solve all the chapters and focus on those which are difficult for you. Alright, and think of the possibilities. Yeah, you can always think that okay, I have this much of time, I can rather than saying I have only 10 days left right now, or I have only two months left, what will I do? Rather think this, oh my god, I have 2 months left, so if I complete in 1 week 2 subjects, because school are also not giving me that much time, schools I don't have to give that much time to the schools right now as well, so I can complete my 2 subjects in 1 week. Then in this way 1 month I can complete the whole syllabus. I have 1 more month. In that 1 more month I'll focus more on the part, I'll solve more and more sample papers. So think about the possibilities and make your mind prepared enough that what is lying in the head of it. If you have 2 months or 1 month, just prepare your mind according to that. Don't be like, arey 2 months, and don't be like procrastinator. I have 2 months, yeah. Let me study for, okay, from tomorrow. Never say this word. Tomorrow onwards, full on study, because that tomorrow is never going to come. That tomorrow will never come. Tomorrow never comes. Whatever you have to do, start studying today. Alright, so think of the possibilities, what you can do in the given amount of time and what can be done. So remember guys, no excuses at any cost. No excuses, no procrastination, because that is the worst enemy for a student. Procrastinating is the worst enemy of a student. Do not procrastinate that I'll start studying tomorrow, or what will happen if I complete all the chapters. Start doing your work right now. As simple as that. No hesitation. Never hesitate about asking your doubts. Never hesitate in telling someone that I don't know this topic. Can you please tell me? Can you help me with this? Never hesitate to tackle your problems. Never hesitate to face your problems. No doubt. Never doubt yourself. It's not about doubt in the study. Never doubt yourself. There will be doubts in the studies, but that can be solved. But never doubt your ability, never doubt yourself, and no regrets, because you are responsible for your studies, and keep yourself accountable for it. Whatever you are going to do now, that is your responsibility. Whatever you are doing with your studies, you will be held responsible for that. So take the full responsibility, take the full ownership, and be stronger than your previous version. Be stronger than your excuses. Be stronger than your weaknesses. All right, so remember this thing, guys. I am telling you, exams is just a stage in your life and you can easily tackle it. Just be stronger, hold yourself accountable, take the responsibility, take the full ownership of your studies. All right, so this is all you got to do. Also, if you are getting doubts in some of the parts or some of the issues, you can join Vedantu Pro subscription courses. These are the courses given over here. The price for 1 month is shown over here, but with GPE Pro code you can get 10% off, and this will be the remaining price, and this is the price for 1 year. All right, so these are the batch starting date beta for grade 9 2021-22 batch, CBSE ICSE Maharashtra board. For grade 10 CBSE ICSE Maharashtra board, and for grade 10 CBSE the crash course are still going on. All right, thank you so much bachcho for joining the session. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. And remember, do not have a doubt about yourself or about your capabilities, that what you can do. You can achieve anything in your life. So just have faith in yourself, take full responsibility, and chak de fatte. All right, so I'll see you soon bachcho. Bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.